Hi guys, welcome to your 19th tutorial on PHP, and in here we're going to be looking at the do while loop, right? The do. Okay, let me put a comment here because that's a different loop. Okay, and in here we have a variable 5, right? We're saying do this anyway, no matter what the condition, if it's true or false. So we're saying do this no matter what. So at this minute 5 is less than 12, and if we run that in PHP, we're going to get that 7 times. Okay, 3, 6, 2, 4, 6, 7 times. Yes, right. Now, if I change this to 15, okay, so it's no longer less than 12. So this condition is now false. Okay, but we're saying do this anyway, at least once run through the code. And if I refresh that page, we should get it at least once anyway, because we're telling us to do it once. Check it once. And here you go. It's checked it once. So to sum that up again, right? The do while loop is saying do it once, even if the condition is false, it doesn't matter, just do it. If the condition is true, it's going to do it, and then it's going to increment it and go through the condition because it's still less than 12. If it's false, it's going to come here, do it once, it's going to go here and go, nope, doesn't matter because I'm not less than, it will increment it alright, but we'll say we're not less than 12, so it will just cut the program short. Okay, so that's your 19th tutorial on do while. And the next one we look at the for